Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard vermicelli. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured out and ready to go. This includes 1 cup of vermicelli, 2 cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Also, prepare your custard powder by mixing 2 tablespoons with 1/4 cup of cold milk. Don't forget your garnishes like cardamom and nuts. Now let's get cooking. Begin by roasting 1 cup of vermicelli in 1 tablespoon of ghee until it turns a beautiful golden brown. This step adds a wonderful nutty flavor. Next, bring 2 cups of milk to a gentle boil in a heavy-bottomed pot. Once boiling, carefully add the roasted vermicelli and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. It's time to make it creamy. Slowly pour in your prepared custard mixture and 1/4 cup of sugar, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the custard to thicken beautifully. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Garnish with saffron, cardamom, and your favorite chopped nuts. Serve warm or chilled for a delightful treat. Your delicious custard vermicelli is now ready to enjoy. This delightful dessert is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family gathering or a quiet evening at home. You can serve it warm or chilled, depending on your preference. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.